So, this is the game, The Corridor. You've probably heard of it. I've played a little bit of it before I've started recording it. The whole point of the game is to push a button. This button. And every time you push the button, it takes you back here.
What will you do now? Damn it.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, go on then. Push it. I want you to push it. I've come round.
Have you now? You've come around? I don't know if I feel safe pushing it this
Okay,
time.
yes,
Honestly.
I've realised that reverse psychology doesn't quite make sense here considering I want you to leave.
Oh. Yeah. Reverse. Motherfucker.
Reverse psychology is never quite as easy as they say it is.
No, it's not. What's down here? Hey, how's it going? Hey, man. You sure are. You are a cardboard man. Nice. You're a cardboard man with a cardboard plan. I like this guy. It is. I understand. I won't. I will. Thank you, cardboard man. This guy's he's so nice to me. Thank you. Aww. What a nice little fella. What a nice little fella.
Oh, so you like pushing a load
Oh.
of meaningless old buttons, do you? Well, feast on this. Though, considering the medium.
Oh, good lord. Oh, God. Am I gonna have to go through and push all of these? I'm gonna go through and push all of them then.
Bruh.
And there's no sprint button either.
Okay, yes, this is somehow more painful for me than it is for you.
Yeah, I know
It's
it
the
is.
one in the corner.
You're not gonna tell me which corner, I'm just gonna push all of them. I have a feeling it might just be this button here. It was in fact that button. The reverse psychology only 42% of players have. That's interesting because we're not that far in the game. I restarted it just for you guys. Oh. Ha! You thought you could get me.
You might have stayed there forever, you never know.
You tried to get me. Clever little monkey brain. Who am I kidding? I have a monkey brain. Alright, sure. Nice. There's more achievements. That can't be the end.
Well, this obviously isn't my game anymore, so I guess I'll leave. Goodbye.
Oh. What? Alright, man. Some Yellow ass sand. Whoever played this game last did not make it out if you're alive. I might go drown myself. Because this is not working out. Why is it green? Oh, that's grass. What's that? Is that the button? It is the button. You thought you could get me. He thought he could get me. What? The legally distinct spatial intruders. Nice. Nice. This is like that one game. They kind of just look like little skulls that also happen to be octopi. Alright, you legally distinct spatial intruders. Feel my wrath. Dude, shit. Shit. I got it. Nice. Whoa. Nice. Nice. I want to be forklift certified, guys, but I can't even get in that forklift. I can't even jump. I can't even move over the forklift forks, whatever those are called. Hey, you want to swap guns? Are you even gonna shoot? Because if you're not, I want your gun. I want that AK. Let me see what's up here. What? Okay, what's the point of stairs if I can't climb the stairs? What's up there? Like, I can't climb the stairs. Alright, listen here, pal. I don't know who decided to make those stairs unstareable. I don't know who decided to unstare the stairs. Was it you? I don't want to stand in his line of fire. Was it you?
No. You just killed a guy.
I don't...
What's wrong with you?
I just shot him in the foot. That's all I did. Let me just shoot him in the foot. Yeah, I was trying to get him to talk.
Button, door, wall. Who among us would have thought that a mere few minutes ago we would have been like this?
Right.
Comrades in arms.
I wouldn't say we're comrades.
Musketeers. I would even go as far as to say...
I don't think we're friends. I'm sorry.
I always know just what to say.
You'd be mean to me. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that the door doesn't open. It's locked. Yeah. In case you were wondering this whole time, the door does not in fact open. Fuck you. Stop playing your sad music. Little weirdo.
I know I've not actually said this yet, but if you fall from a great height in this game, you will die and you lose forever. And that's it. The game closes, you can never open it again, so make sure you don't fall from a great height.
I don't know if I can never open it again, but whatever happens, I'm going to push that button, and the game will close anyway. This doesn't even look like that great of a height. We're going for it.
Okay, yes, I was lying.
You lied.
Worth a try.
Nice. Not worth a try. Alright, bet. What kind of trickery are you gonna pull this time? I don't want a cutscene. Whatever. The button stands there doing nothing. Nervously. How are you today? Also nervously. Hi, I was wondering if I could press you, if you're okay with it? I don't want a love story with the damn button, I just want to press it, man. The button continues to stand there, as if to say, oh, now you ask? I'm sorry I never asked before. The game gave me no way to do so. I'll be honest. I was only doing it because I have a massive crush on you. That one for sure. The button continues to stand there, as if to say, well, obviously. Look at me. You're a bit too full of yourself, to be honest. That's true. You're a very beautiful button. Alright, I gotta activate my button riz. The button continues to stand there, as if to say, I am an inanimate object who cannot say anything. You are projecting. It's not wrong. I'm gonna push it. Click. Yeah.
Listen, don't worry, you're gonna be fine.
Oh.
Just go out there and give it everything you've got.
Alright. Is this my talent show performance? In the 2nd grade? Flashback.
Welcome, one and all, to tonight's performance of The Corridor.
I can't see the audience, but I know they're there. Hello, friends and family members. I thank you for being here. And I have terrible stage fright, so I'm just gonna push this button and get it over with. Fuck you all. Just shut. Thank you. I'm good. Oh, now I'm in the audience?
Boo! This sucks.
Ah. Why are you mean to me?
I'll make it choppy.
Oh, shut the hell
Technically
up.
at fault. That always scares people away.
You did, in fact, make it choppy. Thank you for doing so. Didn't scare me away, motherfucker. I don't like this guy. He was nice to me.
How bad does it have to be before you stop caring?
Oh, God. I know you're doing this. I will push forward. I will endure.
I could make it longer just to pad it out if that's really what you want.
No, I don't care.
A longer game? Just more.
I don't care. I'm going to endure. I'm going to beat this game. Every button I see.
Ugh, why even bother waiting for you to make it all the way across? We all know you're gonna press it anyway, might as well skip to the chase.
You're right, I am. You son of a bitch, I was gonna push that. Did I just...
Fine then.
God.
You want long?
Oh!
How about infinite? Infinite corridor.
Infinite corridor.
Legitimately infinite, I should add. Don't even bother trying to get to the end.
Shit. Alright. I'm gonna say he went ahead this way. He's a tricky little fella. This guy makes me angry.